To update your bank details for Deliveroo as a rider, you will need to log into the Deliveroo hub and fill out an online form. This form requires your new bank details and supporting documents like proof of bank change and your ID. You can't use your bank details in the Rider app. You need to use online hub and the verification process to make sure payments go to the correct account. So in order to do that, you need to first go ahead and access the Deliveroo hub. Log into your Deliveroo hub account on the website or the app, then find the change of bank details form. Go to the section for managing bank details and find the online form for changes. Then fill out the form, enter your full name, your email address, your mobile number, rider account, and your rider ID as well. Then enter your bank details. Add the correct details for your new bank account and upload the proof of identification and proof of your new bank details as well. Finally, submit the completed form and documents. Also note that the bank account must be in your name and Deliveroo will verify the new details belong to you. You can also contact Deliveroo rider support if you need help. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.